how to deposit money in Polymarket. So if you want to deposit money in Polymarket, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Polymarket. After opening up, what you need to do is just simply go and log in using your credentials. If this is your first time setting things up, then you can go with the Polymarket sign up button, and then you'll be able to create an account. So once you've created and once you've logged into your account, click on deposit funds. You'll be forwarded. And here you will have multiple options. You can transfer to crypto. Okay, then you will have a deposit with card or connect exchange or deposit with PayPal. So you have 4 options. Let's say if you wanted to do deposit the first option, which is going to be crypto, you will be then forwarded and you have to provide all of these information like the QR code and everything. Or if you want to go with the second option, which is deposit with card, you need to just simply go and choose the currency, for example, US dollars, and choose the amount that you want to deposit and just choose the provider. You can choose any one of these following providers and that's it. Or if you want to go with the third option, which is connect exchange, you can go with the third option as well. Or you will have the last option, which is deposit with PayPal. You can do so. And in this way, you'll be able to deposit money in Polymarket. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.